In this video, I'm showing you how to replace your front wiper blades and your rear window wiper. It's fast, easy, and won't require a mechanic or a PhD in car wizardry. Let's get those squeaky noodles off your ride. Firstly, be sure to order the correct type of wiper for your vehicle. This one is a top lock push button type wiper. Be sure to remove the blade protectors before installation. Start by lifting the front wiper arm gently. Like you're waking up a cat you don't want to get scratched by. See this tiny push button here? Just press and hold it down, then slide the wiper blade out. It should come off easier than your New Year's resolution. Grab your new blade, line it up, slide it into the slot until you hear a click. That click says, "You did it right, champ." Give it a little tug. If it holds, you're good. If it flies off, call it a prototype. And now, let's move on to the other wiper. Do the same procedure, push down lock and pull. Then insert new blade until you hear the click sound, and then that's it. Now let's take a look at that lonely rear wiper. It deserves love too. Most rear wipers work the same way, but are smaller and slightly awkward. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. On this little one, you'll be needing a flat screwdriver. Lift the rear arm. It might not lift all the way, just enough to work with. Insert the screwdriver and pry the old wiper away from the arm. Carefully lower down arm and get the new blade. Give the rear wiper arm a quick wipe down before installing the new blade. No sense putting fresh shoes on muddy feet. Grab your new blade and insert to the arm and push to each other until you hear the click. And that's it. Front and rear wipers, replaced in minutes and no mechanic bills in sight. If this video helped, like it, hit subscribe for more easy car tips. Stay dry, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.